Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Excel chapter HHOE assessment. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow. And you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 8 HUE Assessment. Increase the font size for a proper view in my video. Then I have highlighted this title. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on question number 1. First, I will select this complete instruction file. Then I will increase the font size of this instruction file for a proper view in my video. Question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel Chapter 8 HOE Assessment. Excel as Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab Dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. You can see this my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Okay, question number 2 is that you will calculate the standard deviation and variation of the test score within the sample. Enter a function in cell H9 to calculate the standard deviation of the sample of test score in cell in the range C4 to C53. Enter a function in cell H9 to calculate the standard deviation of sample text score in range C4 to C53. Then enter a function in I9 that calculates the variance of the sample data in the range C4 to C53. Basically, in this question, first we will have to find the standard deviation, then we will find the variance. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will click on cell H9. Okay, we will click on cell H9, press is equal to, enter stdev dot s function standard deviation, stdev dot s function standard deviation. Okay, the value in the range is C4 to, okay, test score C4 to C53. Then we will press enter. It will be find standard deviation in cell H9. You can see this is good. Now enter a function in cell I9 that calculate the variance of the sample data in the range C4 to C53. Okay, we will simply click on cell I9, press is equal to, enter variance function, enter variance function in cell I9. Okay, var.s function and then C4 to C53 test score. Then we will press enter. It will be find variance in cell I9. First I have find standard deviation, then I have find variance. Now we will move on next question. Okay, sorry, the last point of this question. Format the result as number to display no decimal points. We will select this both numbers result and we will go to the home tab in the number group, apply number, format with no decimal places, zero decimal, no decimal. Okay, now we will move on next question of this assignment is question number 3. Question number 3 is that after calculating the standard deviation and variance to help determine the data point distant from the mean. Okay, You theorize that there is a direct relationship between attendance and test score. You will use the choral function to test the strength of the relationship. Enter a function in cell J9 to determine the correlation of the values in the range C4 to C53 and F4 to F53. Format the result as a number with two decimal points. Basically, in this question, we will enter a function in cell J9 to determine the correlation. We will click on cell J9, press is equal to in cell J9. We will have to enter a correlation function in cell J9. Okay, press is equal to enter correlation function, choral function in cell J9. Okay. The value the range C4 to C53 array 1, and then we will have to second array F4 to F53 days absent. F4 to F53, then we will press enter. It will be found correlation in cell J9. Now we will move on next question. Next point. Format the result as number with two decimal places. We will go to the home tab in the number group. We will apply number format with two decimal places. Click on OK button. Now we will move on question number 4. I have done 3 questions so far. You want to determine the frequency of student absence based on the criteria of perfect attendance. Attendance is divided into the following bins: 0 days absent, 1 to 5 days absent, and 6 to 10 days absent. To do this, you will use frequency function. Use the frequency function in the range I12 to I14 to determine the frequency of absence located in the range F4 to F53 based on the bins located in the range I12 to I14. Divide the result by the sample size in I5 in order to return the result as a percentage. Then format the result in the range I12 to I14 as percentage number format with 0 decimal places. Use the frequency function in the range I12 to I14. Okay, press is equal to enter frequency function. Okay, in cell I12. Now F4 to F53 days absent, and then H12 bins I12 to H14 days absent. We will divided by 15. Then we will press enter. It will be show value and frequency in here. Now we will move on next. The format is the result in the range I12 to I14 as percentage number format with 0 decimal places. We will select this and then go to the home tab with the number group, apply percentage format with 0 decimal places. Okay, now we will move on. Next question of this assignment is question number 5. You will analyze sets data across multiple high schools in the district. As part of the analysis, you use the analysis toolpath. Okay. Make the high school sample worksheet active. Ensure the analysis toolpath is enabled. Use the analysis toolpath is create a ANOVA single factor report starting the output range in cell F7. Use the input range B3 to B53 as ensure label in the first row checkbox is selected. Auto fit the width of column F to L. Okay. Make sure high school sample worksheet is active. Now ensure the analysis toolpath is enabled. Use the analysis toolbar to create a ANOVA single factor report. We will go to the data tab. In the analysis group, click on data analysis. Click on single ANOVA single factor. Click on OK button. Starting the output range in cell F7. Starting the output range in cell F7, use the output range B3 to use the input range B3 to D53 and ensure label in the first row. Input range is B3 to D53. Okay, show label in first row. Output range is F7. Output range is given in the instruction F7. Click on cell F7 for output range. Where is F7 is here. Now ensure label is the first checkbox. Select out for the width for column F12. Okay, we will click on OK button. You can see this is code now. Now autofill the width of column F12. We will select this column, go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button, click on autofit column width. Now we will move on next question of this assignment. You hypothesize that there is a negative relationship between attendance and test score. Your next assessment is an analysis of trend between SAT score and attendance. Make the combined score sample worksheet active. Create a covariance report using the input range C3 to D153 and the output range H3. Be sure to include the label in the first row. Set the column width of column I to J to 13. Make the combined score sample worksheet is active. Now create a covariance report using the input range C3 to D153, output range H3. Okay, we will go to the data tab. In the analysis group, click on data analysis button. Now we will select covariance. Click on OK button. Input range is C3 to D153. Input range is C3 to D153. Okay. You can see label in the first column. Okay. Be sure to include the label in the first row. Set the column width of output range is H3. Output range is H3 and be sure to include the label in the first row. Output range is H3. We will click on cell H3. We will scroll up and then simply click on cell H3 and click on OK button. Now set the column width of ij to 13. We will select this column width, select column I to j, right click on and click on column width. We will set the data 13, click on OK button. Okay, this is good. You can see I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Total question of this assignment is 10 to 11. I have done 60 to 65% of assignment in my video. For remaining question and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical and many more online courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can simply click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. I can do all online courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Sun Engagement Tab, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Okay, best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.